Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times cuckoo, crazy and weird. That's what the W stands for. Weird. So today's episode is, decaf moment. Do I have to pull something out of my hat or just what are we doing here? Uh, crud. Total decaf moment, but we're still going to go with this. Okay, so we're going to talk about, I remember. Ha ha. Ha ha. Okay, so today's topic is what is a scene in a film that inspired you? For me, I would actually have to say it was multiple scenes in the movie Train Spotting. I love what they did in the original one. The second one was pretty cool, but they burned all the really cool shots for their cinematography and like the trailers. So when I saw the movie, I was like, oh, well, T2 was kind of like, but Train Spotting 1 was redonkulous. And I know some of you are probably going to be like, oh, David's going to say Star Wars, Matrix, and a million other things. But no, Train Spotting. That movie changed my perspective. And here's what I mean by that. They were embracing the technology available at that time that could help them achieve shots that are commonplace for us today. Like some of the Insta360 cameras that we have. Like when I did How I Became the Caffeinated Photographer, I literally had one of my cameras in my mouth when I was driving the Mini Cooper like this, just getting that first person point of view. It was crazy. Absolutely love that movie. It just changed so much about how I can just take my crazy brain and go, let's do this, man. Whoa. What about you? What do you guys do? Totally share downstairs in the kilt zone. We're making another round in the kilt zone. Yeah, the kilt zone. And snaps. Dry snap. Oh, now I snap. Okay, normally it's a dry snap. Okay, so let's wrap it up. There you go, dry snap, Minnesota snap. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Today's episode is all about what is a scene or scenes in a movie that changed my perspective. What about you? Totally share downstairs in the kilt zone. And until next time, remember to like, comment, share, bell, ding dong, notifications, and stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. Da da da.